Peace, sanibonani ninjani la ekhaya niyaphila? Asithembe niyaphila. Umfoka Mkhonzo nibingelelayo. Kuyi registration day 2 and the final day registration namhlanje ku-August 2026. Ngihleli lapha ke no spokesperson we-MK Party eMkhondo sub-region, Comrade Fortune Mnisi. Yaphila njani comrade wami? Siyaphila sengikudonsa ngebhantshi nje la kubi kuyashesha. Isiphithiphithi kiwa le nale.
Isiphithiphithi kuyasetshenzwa.
Kuyasetshenzwa mfethu.
Asinadabula.
Anadala pha ngikhonanga izolo ukuthi ngikubone ukuze usinike mhlawumbe ifeedback yokuthi kuhambe kanjani. Mhlawumbe nje njoba sengisho ukuthi ngikudonsa nje kuphuthuma kangaka mhlawumbe khona ongakusho ukuthi luhambe kanjani usuku lwayizolo nge-1 August. Lwe final registration.
Sibonga Mfoka Mkhonza la yagcinana sibingelele nabalandeli bekhasi lakho. Ngicabanga ukuthi as the organization we have observed all the challenges, possible achievements kule program yaga IEC. But so far in overall perspective singavuma ukuthi sicabanga ukuthi ikhambe kahle because so far we have not witnessed any challenges abekhona. And secondly, noma izola abantu bebahola babhize emadolobheni banani but people bavelile e-station ba-check-a abanye ba-register. So far we think ihambe kahle. Mhlawumbe la kusele khona emuva kuyi-responsibility yethu sonke as organizations to mobilize abantu ukuthi bahambe bayo-register sibafake online until i-IEC isinikeze i-cut off date msakazi. But so far Mfoka Mkhonza sicabanga ukuthi the process ihambe smooth noma ngabe kube nalezo inqindamba ezincane lapha nalapha but akusizoke inqindamba mhlawumbe ezingaphazamisa iprocess yokuvota nge-4 iprocess yokuvota nge-4 so far siyibona ngazuthi ihamba kahle.
Okay. Ya namhlanje angeke ngikubuze ngama stats kufuna sihlale phansi sekuvele mhlawumbe all VDs and everything sibheka ama stats but nje ngingachecka la ukuthi ngalendlela oyibeka ngayo noyichaza ngayo. Sibona la for example la iWard 14 ngibone ngazothi kune ANC kune MK kune EFF khona ngishiya iAIMSA
yes
mhlawumbe awu4 abonakala ephithiza kakhulu la amaqembu epolitiki noma mhlawumbe khona amanye ngiwashiyayo.
Ngicabanga ukuthi maningana eWard 14
because
yes maningana mawungena ngaphakathi estation ama party agents ngaphakathi maningana unama party agents ANC MKP there's the governing party after the 4th of November.
I like that.
there's the governing party after the 4th of November. Sibone nabalingani bethu ebesinabo mhlawumbe sihambisana nabo bagcine baphuma eceleni. Bakhona nabo banama party agents abe South African Communist Party
nawo
bakhona ngaphakathi. Sibone kukhona benkatha amaqenjana amaningi. Remember iWard 14 is the highly contested ward. Siyazi ke noma bangakaveli sobala but iSDP ikhona ngaphakathi, iCommunist Party ikhona ngaphakathi, iEFF ikhona ngaphakathi and we encourage abantu ukuthi abaphume bayovota. Singahlali singavoti because iagenda iyodwa coming come 4th November. The agenda is one is to remove the ANC from power. Particularly here in Mkhondo because people have suffered enough. Before the voter registration weekend we have suffered a great damage ey'ntweni ezikhona ugesi uyahamba ukha wamanzi awekho. That shows you the lack of capacity to lead. They have no capacity to lead these people because you cannot blame this one and the other one blame this one. We need to deal with the core of the problem. We need to deal with the source of the problem instead of blaming this one and this one. And upon facing lama challenges as we are go, we have seen no and none whatsoever yokuthi kukhona who is being held to account on these matters, because it cannot be correct ukuthi kunabantu abazohlala almost for 7 days bangana case babe no case only for 2 hours.
Hayi wona kusokole kakhulu kulo July.
We can
lamalanga lawo ophetha kwelenyanga
kubenzima msakazi, and if you follow the source of the problem, yi lack of coordination within the leadership. Because we cannot have such a problem if bekune leadership ene vision yokuthuthukisa lelokishi. So now kuze kufika kule space sokuthi kuba nama blackouts elokishini nana, why didn't we avoid lento le 2 years back? Because we already knew about the challenge that we are having. But monies are there. But where are the monies going if kwenzeka so? So msakazi ngicabanga ukuthi wonke lama political parties akhona kumele sisebenze kanzima sisonke ukuthi silwele ukuthi ANC led municipality seyishintshe umkhonto wesizwe utake over lo masipala.
Fonebe kuma opposition benches kahle ANC.
In fact kube benjengami bebazoba outside the municipality, not even on the opposition benches. They've been there for so long. No, they've been there for so long. They've been there for so long mfoka Mkhonza. But we encourage people to continue registering laba bangakholanga until IEC ivale the online registration process so that people will exercise their vote, their right to vote, because it is the only right esikhona kuyi-access akalula.
But manje injani atmosphere bathina abantu mhlambe nge-MK party can the MK party be regarded by a community as an alternative kulento le esiyibonayo nesikhuluma ngayo Mkhondo yale leadership ekhona?
Mfoka Mkhonza, without no doubt, with no hesitation,
because mhlambe bangaba khona abanye abantu bathi yona i-MK party izosisiza ngani, yini ezokhona ukuyishintsha la, ngoba abanye abantu abaningi nje mangabe ubheka la bakhuluma lo ukuthi i-MK party yona izosisiza ngani ngoba nayo seloku abantu abamnyama esiphila nabo khona la nabo bazongena lapha babe same ne-ANC. Ungathini kubantu abanjalo abanongabazana nge-MK party?
Ngicabanga ukuthi Mfoka Mkhonza lapho akumelanga sibe ku space la siyozama khona ukuconvince abantu mhlambe ngeinkulumo ngoba siyogcina siqamba amanga. But kuleyo mkhonto wesizwe abantu bayayibona i-operation yomkhonto wesizwe from the national level wehluye phansi. Kumkhonto wesizwe immediately utholakala ukuthi ngathi khona la uphuma khona eceleni. Remember umkhonto wesizwe is not in governance. Uyakhishwa manje and we look for the best person for the job. So when it comes to the issue yamakhansela bomeya and everything, umkhonto wesizwe is guided by principles. So lama principles omkhonto wesizwe awukhishwa umuntu but ukhishwa ilama principles uma so uphula. Akunamuntu mhlambe one privilege asebenzisa even the concept ye proximity. Remember ukuthi sesishintsha bonobhala abaningi ngesimo sisodwa nje khona la ungasahambi khona kahle, kumele sikumise eceleni sifako zokhona.
Akulindwe isikhathi eside,
asilinde isikhathi eside, and we don't deploy you to a better position. You are just being removed. So si umkhonto wesizwe president masmitha naye Friday usinikeze i-mandate eyodwa ukuthi asihlanganeni sisebenze sonke, sisebenze lo mkhonto wesizwe, siyeke indaba yokukhomba nokulwa. Indaba ezinye nani sizoyibona mase sindlule kule process, because i-agenda yomkhonto wesizwe ukukhulula umuntu omnyama. Remember mas affectwa ile zinto zabogesi namanzi nani laba abanye banamasola, banama-generator, banama-boreholes emakabo, because they were given amanzi bawathola noma yini. They were given the privilege before sithola lento ye-democratic dispensation. So in the MKP our agenda is one, asikhululeni labantu balakhaya abebalela imnyama bangayitholi bakule simo sokusokola size sifike la. Msakazi ngamane kuvalwe lento yamathenda sidile ngale issue esibhekane nayo, because lento yamathenda msakazi again we must speak to it ukuthi ayilekeleli i-class ye-business personnel We don't grow business people there. But we are growing tenderpreneurs. And the issue of tenderpreneurs siyayazi buyaphi. Uthola umuntu una 5 million uyibiza ngosoma business. When you look into his business, yiliphi business analo. There is nothing but untshontsha imali yabakho kubentela through the system of Yamatenda, because the former liberation movement
aphela impilo affluent kodwa awuthola ukuthi
kanjani because balahle le concept yokudevelopa le system yokutenderish. So as the MKP president usitshelela ukuthi amakhosi abalekile kule revolution, thina siyithunywa zamakhosi. So amakhosi kumele akhiphe direction. Angicabangi ke nabo ukuthi baya appreciate ukuthi ungathenga isinkwa nge450 usithengise nge45 rand. So that is the system that
tendering,
that is tendering. So the tendering system ebuyela kule concept esike sayikhuluma mphakazi ukuthi la we are suffering from the systematic oppression. Injalo msana.
Nangu umuntu wasemkhondo sesiphetha nje njengomkhulumeli weMK Party ke manje. Njengoba spokesperson weMK Party emkhondo. Nangu ukulalela njengamanje uthini useregistered. Uthini umlayezo wakho yakuwe njengoba seka register?
Kubalaleli nabalandeli bonke and the potential voters. Sithi asiphuma sonke nge4, not necessarily nge4, from nge2 na nge3 until nge4 November. See your voter, and when we vote, we must vote for Umkhonto Wesizwe Party. Because it is the only organization that carries the interest of a black child at heart. Sijoyina Umkhonto Wesizwe ukuze silekelele umuntu omnyama ukuthi abe ngcono. Akwazi ukuthi amaphara abantu abamnyama ngiyaxolisa ukusho lelo gama, but it's the face that we use normally. Abe 100 bese sithola Vusmota. Uyamazi Vusmota? Ubonga Mota. Hayi not Vusmota, ubani ubonga Mota. Lo mlungu oyiphara lapha eTrophy. Bese baba bayi2 baba yi3. That tells you ukuthi something is wrong within the system, because laba bakithi baphonswa yini eTrophy ngobuningi. But laba bebalela imhlophe babathatha. We will not be ashamed for Mkhonza ukuthi thina as the MKP siyinhlangano yabantu abamnyama. But ke abelungu asibavimbeli. If they understand the vision and the concept esinayo, they must come on board. Silekelelana ukuthi siyaphambili. Our candidate, our number 1 nominee Ward 7 womunye nje ubaba webalela imhlophe yabathupiti. So we do not segregate, but agenda ukuthi asikhulule labantu abamnyama so that we will live in an even society. Our society currently is uneven. Is uneven. Look at the system. How many young people bebalela imnyama abahleli kaMagaya abahleli emajele compared to the other race. We cannot have that. So chuthi kukhona into esingayenzi kahle as the government yabantu abamnyama. So sekumele sichintshe le government sizokwazi ukucabangela laba abamnyama so that we will even the situation.
So uyaqinisekisa umuntu ongumhlalo wasemkhondo ukuthi umuntu nomuntu ozobonakala ebhodini ozokhankaselwa ukuthi avotelwe weMK Party, uma esekhethiwe wangena waba yikhansela leward, uma enza into angathunywanga yona ngumphakathi kuzokwenzakalana kuMK Party?
Ngicabanga ukuthi kuMK Party noma singakhetha namuhla kusasa sikuthole so umuntu wama high heel nama celebrity ungasazeki, if not high heel so umuntu wama square unama sharp point ongatholakala ukuthi uservice kanjani umphakathi. You will be recalled sometime. Whether go to buy elections silungise le system, because ku MKP it's not about amathuba omsebenzi, but it's about ensuring ukuthi iagenda the liberation yomuntu omnyama ihamba phambili. So we've got no fear lapho ukuthi ongenzi kahle kumkhonto wesizwe ngeke abekezelele.
And umsholozo sekubonisakane ukuthi wonke umuntu obekwe esikhundleni ukuthi ubani akusho lutho kushaya same time.
Exactly msakazi. Kuwesi ke as much as we are going to indaba ye local government. Lana as contest ama positions ethu. Si contesta ama seats omphakathi. yikhundla zomphakathi. And kumele senze sure ukuthi lo mphakathi siwu represent very well with no fear or prejudice. Sicabanga ukuthi lokhu kungathi no we can't do that. Kumele senze sure ukuthi imfuno zomphakathi zihamba phambili. Asinaloku celebrity la kumkhonto wesizwe party eliyohamba phambili licabangele lona. That one we will make sure, and we encourage abantu ukuthi as much as siyovota nge-4 awusavoteli lo muntu olapha esithombeni, uvotela umkhonto ngoba loyo muntu uyisithunywa,
ngeke enze
ukuthanda kwakhe. Immediately siza ukuthi lo ngathi wenza ukuthanda kwakhe, we will make recommendations and the president will quickly act on that.
All right. So nje lakhe lokuphetha sowusonga uthini?
Ngithi sonke emphakathi wasemkhondo nabalandeli lekhasi la kababa umkhonza asiphumeni ngobuningi from nge-2 nange-3 nange-4 November sambeni siyovota, senze sure ukuthi asivoteli ANC. Uma udidekile mhlambe nange-MK ungamane uspoil le ungaspoil 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 noma ngaba unelisekile
no asimphoqa neliseke ngoba ushintsho lu guaranteed ku-MK,
it's must. Noma ngabe awunelisekanga kumele ucabange consult ubuze ukuthi konje njengoba nganelisekanga singenza njani, bese uyaqhubeka uvotela umkhonto.
Cabanga nje ngomsholozi
and emsakazi sizobe sinama-ballots ayi-3 makuvotwa ngayi-4 November. Wonke womathathu lama-ballots we must make sure ukuthi sivotele umkhonto wesizwe.
Kodwa lama-ballots awu-3 akanjani?
Ballot number 1 usukuvotela ukhansela we-ward. Ballot number 2 usukuvotela lamakhansela ahlala kumasipala angavotelwanga ama-PR councillors. Yes. Then kuleli 3 sesivotela amakhansela ahlala ku-district. Yes. So uma umkhonto wesizwe ungawini i-district, uwine umasipala, uwine ama-ward, angicabanga ukuthi sobe sinale challenge yogesi in a space of 3 to 4 months.
Kuzoba ne-coordination right.
The coordination will be directed because we are guided by a wisdom of a person ohlala every day alwela inkululeko yomuntu omnyama. Okwethu yiloko, people must understand the agenda yomkhonto wesizwe, ukuthi okubalekile kumkhonto wesizwe ukukhululeka komuntu omnyama. So si encourage abantu bonke basemkhondo ukuthi asiphumeni in majority singabantu abamnyama siyovotela umkhonto wesizwe sizokwazi ukuthi siyikhulule singabantu abamnyama ngoba akekho omunye ozosikhulula.
Hayi siyabonga mfethu, sesoba ne-interview yokugcina ke sizoyihlela lapho sozosinika khona i-states sokuthi ihambe kanjani i-registration yonke mhlambe kuma-videos wonke. Mangabe so ready ngalo.
No, we will do that tomorrow msakazi because manje ama voting station kusabhizi kumele avalwe, se-consolidate and give a formal report, sibe ne meeting ne leadership, then we take it from there, then we give a media statement. But okubalekile ukuthi we strongly condemn ukuhluphekiswa kwabantu abamnyama ngendaba yogesi.
Yes.
Laba bamhlophe singabafaka nje nabo sithi bahluphekile, but banamasola banama-generator. It's only us who have suffered. Abantwana baphuma emakhaya bayikolweni bageza ngamanzi abandayo, badla ukudla okubandayo. At some point ngidlisa kwiviki lonke manje nesisu sama siko right msakazi. Ngicabanga ukuthi ke leyo ndaba kumele siyilungise nge-4. Sibonge mfoka Mkhonza. Let's meet tomorrow for the whole interview where we'll have the stats and all the dynamics that have been there.
Siyabonga kakhulu, siyabonga mfethu.
Siyabonga mfoka
kakhulu. Comrade Fortune Mnisi, spokesperson we-sub-region eMkhondo ku-MK Party nje wasenimzwile uthi ayikho enye indlela ezokukhipha kule nkinga okhala ngayo ukuthi nje ushaya i-cross lapha kumkhonto wesizwe party. Cabanga nje umsholozi uthi nje tswa uyobe soyilungisile inkinga zakho. Siyabonga kakhulu mfethu, ngicela niqhubeke ke nisupporta le channel. Mangaka subscribe please, awubatshele mfethu.
Let us subscribe to the channel. Let us support. This is ours. We own it, all of us, as the black child.
It's free of charge.
Free of charge.
Just press subscribe. Siyabonga kakhulu ke.
Move forward.
Lasihlangane ke kuma next videos. Thank you so much.